Ay putik, Marston. John Marston.
That's quite a scratch you got there.
Putik na yan. Siya yung sa Red Dead Redemption 1, tol. Ito nga yung sinabi nila, prequel nga to.
You don't look so good. I don't feel too good.
Kabaliktaran. So ito yung nauna, Red Dead Redemption 2. Okay, si John Marston pala to. Siya yung bida sa Red Dead Redemption 1, tol. Yung nalaro ko sa PS3. Ba't hindi ko natapos? Pero, kilala ko siya. Eh, kumbaga ito pala yung mentor niya, no? Si Arthur.
Let's try this way.
Ain't you a sorry sight? Can't argue with you there. See? I told Dutch you weren't the right man for this. I'm sure you did.
You alright?
I think so.
Come on. Hopefully this will lead us out. You see that on the ridge?
You head for the horses. I'll keep John's friends off until you're clear.
Okay, here we go, John. We'll leave them to Arthur. We're getting you out of here. Distract them, Arthur! Shout!
Yan to,
Shoot!
barilin
Do
natin.
something!
Napakakalmahin. Ano ba to? Aray. Agad pa. Isa nga pa. Aray. May rabies na ako. May rabies na ako. Paano na to? Injured na naman. Lagi na lang na-i-injured. Tara na, tara na. Alis tayo.